Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install Canva on your laptop. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to canva.com/download/windows/. This is Canva's official download page specifically designed for Windows users, where you can get the desktop version of the application. Having Canva installed directly on your laptop gives you faster performance and easier access compared to using the web version every time. Once you're on the download page, you'll see a button that says Download Canva for Windows. Go ahead and click on it. This will start downloading the Canva setup file directly to your computer. The download should only take a minute or two depending on your internet speed, and the file size is relatively small so it won't take up much space during the download process. After the download completes, head over to your Downloads folder to locate the Canva setup file. You can do this by opening File Explorer and clicking on Downloads in the left sidebar, or you might see the file appear at the bottom of your browser window. Once you've found the setup file, double-click on it to begin the installation process. Now, a security prompt might appear asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Open or Yes to proceed with the installation. Follow any on-screen install prompts that appear to finish installing Canva on your laptop. The installation wizard will guide you through the process automatically, and it typically takes just a few moments to complete. The installer will handle everything for you, placing the application in the right location and setting up all necessary components. Once the installation is finished, locate and open the Canva desktop app from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. When the app launches for the first time, you might be prompted with an option that says Login through browser. Go ahead and click on it. This step connects your existing Canva account to the desktop application, ensuring all your designs, templates, and saved projects are accessible from the app. Your default web browser will open, and you'll be taken to a Canva login page. Sign in with your existing Canva account credentials or create a new account if you don't have one yet. After successfully logging in through your browser, you'll see a confirmation prompt asking if you want to continue to the Canva app. Select Yes, Continue to Canva app, or Open to finish signing in. This final step links your browser session with the desktop application, and you're all set to start creating. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Canva on your laptop, and you're now ready to access all of Canva's powerful design tools right from your desktop. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.